Hey there folks, running into a snag with Fortnite refusing to launch and throwing the LS-0013 error on your PC? Fret not, in today's guide, I've got your back. I'll walk you through the steps to fix the pesky launch failed LS-0013 error in Fortnite on your computer. No time to waste, let's jump right into it. Solution 1. Run Epic Games Launcher with admin privileges. Close the Epic Game Launcher entirely. Click the system tray icon. Right-click on the Epic Games Launcher icon and select Exit. Right-click on Epic Games Launcher from your desktop. Choose Run as Administrator. Confirm permission by clicking Yes. Go to your library and check if the error is resolved. If not, close and reopen the launcher to see if Fortnite launches without the error. Solution 2. Clear Fortnite web caches. Start by hitting the search icon and type in run. Enter this text, %local app data %, and hit enter. File Explorer opens. Head to the Epic Games Launcher folder. Open the save folder, delete the web cache folder. Reboot your computer. After your computer restarts, check if the issue persists. Solution 3. Verify and repair the game. Open Epic Games Launcher, switch to the Library tab. Click the three-dot icon below the Fortnite poster. Select Manage from the pop-up menu. Click on Verify. The launcher will verify and repair any corrupted files. After verification, restart your computer. Once your computer boots up, you should be able to launch Fortnite without encountering the LS-0013 error. So there you have it. Troubleshooting the launch failed LS-0013 error in Fortnite on your computer is as easy as that. If you found this guide helpful, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.